Hi guys, so this is the fourth time I'm filming this because my camera sucks and I please excuse the way I'm looking because I have been sick for 2 days and I haven't been to work, I haven't been filming, I haven't been doing anything. So basically this is what my life is now. And I just wanted to tell you guys that recently I finished the whole year on YouTube and it's been a nice time and I've come across a lot of sweet people. I want to thank you guys, my subscribers. You have been really sweet to me and some of you have been really supportive of late, and I just wanted to thank you guys. And a bunch of you guys have been asking me to do something different, some different videos apart from the makeup and fashion and talks and all those things, to do some Q&A or tag videos, which I was very skeptical about, because I was wondering if anyone would be interested in watching me answer or do some videos like that. But some of you have been really asking for that, so I just wanted to know if I should do a tag one or a Q&A, and if it's a tag one, which one should I do, and if it's a Q&A, I just wanted you guys to leave all the questions that you want to wanted me to answer. And if you want both, I can do both. I have no problem. I'm here to make videos based on what you guys want, and that's what I'm here for, and I'll be doing that. So just let me know what kind of a video I should make, and all the other different suggestions that you guys have been asking me to do. I have a few videos planned up for you guys, and I have a huge haul video coming up, but it will be taking some time because of the international shipping and stuff. It will take a month, but apart from that I have some other videos lined up too. But you guys have been asking me to do something different, so that's why I was asking questions and your suggestions, etc. So I can answer any video questions, like makeup related, skin related, or normal personal girl talk, or even if you want to know something about me, I can answer that as well. Not too personal, but yeah, we are all friends, so I can answer some questions for you guys. So I just wanted to just let you guys know that I'm going to do these kind of videos if you are interested in knowing, because I was really skeptical about people in being interested in what I do. So but apparently some of you guys are, so I don't mind doing that. I would love to, but I just want to know how many of you are interested, because if I post a video and some people are like, oh, we don't even care what you do, so that'll be weird. So that was the only concern of mine, but that's what I just wanted to ask you guys. And hopefully this is not too boring, guys. And if you are not subscribed already and you just happen to come to my channel randomly, you can check out my videos and subscribe if you like. Subscribe if you haven't already, it really helps me out. And please leave all the suggestions about the kind of videos I should be making, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully the next video will be something suggested by you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.